Every taxing statute gives power in the act to tax. In GST, which section, where does the act give power to levy GST? This is the topic for discussion today. As you understand, CGST is levied separately, SGST is levied separately in the case of intrastate supply, and IGST is levied in the case of interstate supply. So CGST, to levy CGST, power is given in the CGST Act. To levy SGST, power is given in the SGST Act, that is section 9 of CGST and SGST Acts respectively. In IGST, the power is given to tax GST, IGST in section 5 of the IGST Act. So basically the sections are different, but the provisions are the same. Now what the charging section says? It says there shall be levied a tax called Central Goods and Service Tax. So in SGST it will be State Goods and Service Tax, and in IGST it will be Integrated Goods and Service Tax. So this is the only change what you will have in the respective acts. So there shall be levied a tax called Central Goods and Service Tax on all intrastate supplies of goods or service or both. So in CGST and SGST it is intrastate. In IGST section 5 they say as interstate. So on all intrastate supplies of goods or services or both, except on the supply of alcohol, liquor for human consumption, on the value determined under section 15, and such rates not exceeding 20% as may be notified, collected in such a manner as may be prescribed. So we have to understand, it is basically a tax levied, Central Goods and Service Tax or SGST Act or IGST Act, on all intrastate or interstate supplies of goods or service or both, except on sale of alcohol, liquor for human consumption. So alcoholic liquor for human consumption is out of the purview of GST in the scope itself, charging section itself, on the value determined. So value is determined as per the provisions of section 15 of the CGST or SGST Act at such rates not exceeding 20%. So tax cannot exceed 20%. So 20% is the CGST Act. The same thing is 40% mentioned in the IGST Act. So a tax rate cannot exceed CGST, SGST combined or IGST 40% and collected in such a manner as prescribed. So section 9 and section 5 of IGST Act actually is a charging section which gives power to levy GST. Thank you.